So hello, good day. So today we want to look at the factor formula. Okay, so when we have an expression like this, sine A plus sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. We know this, of course, is what sine A plus B, right? This is sine A plus B compound angle formula. Then also sine A cos B minus cos A sine B is going to be sine A minus B, right? This compound, and when it is negative, this is negative, right? Okay, if this is equation 1 and this is equation 2, if we add these two together, we say 1 plus 2. Okay, what are we going to get? It means this and this are going to add, while this and this will be 0, because plus and minus, that will be 0, right? So that will be 2 sine A cos B is going to be sine A plus B plus cos A and sine A minus B, right? That is, we're adding this and this together, sine A minus B, right? Okay, now this sine A cos B is now equal to half, bring these two here, sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. So this is how we convert products when we have sine and cos multiplying each other. We can transform them to addition. That's what we did. That's what we are dealing with here. That is, if we have an expression in the product form, we can transform it to addition by this procedure, right? Okay, now if we subtract them, we say 1 minus 2. What are we going to get here? If we subtract this from this will vanish, while this will become 2, right? So that will be 2 cos A sine B. That will be sine A plus B minus cos A minus B, right? So from here, cos A sine B is going to be half sine A plus B minus cos A minus B. Okay, so this is how we convert an expression like this into addition. We are going from product to addition, right? Product to addition, product to addition. So when sign comes first and cos follows, this is how it is going to be expressed. If cos comes first and sign follows, this is how we are going to express it, right? Okay, I'll say sine B, sine A, cos B. Okay, now this expression as it is now, if you want to go back from addition now to products, we want to go from addition to products. How do we go about it? It's just by simply reversing this. It's just by simply taking this one back to this form. We want to go from product to addition, from addition now back to products. So what we'll do is to express this one as a single letter. We'll call this one C and we'll call this one D. So you say let C equals to, say A plus B equals to C, and then A minus B equals to D. If we add the two together, what are we going to get? That will be 2A equals to C plus D. And A from here is going to be half C plus D. Then 2B, when you add this to, when you subtract, 2B is equals to C minus D. And B is going to be half C minus D. Right? So it means we can convert from here, addition to back to, right? So let's take this one, the first one here. which is this one, and this one is equals to this. So these two now, let's write it. Sine A plus B. A plus B is now written as C, right? So that will be sine C plus sine D. That is C, this is C and this is D, right? Is equals to 2 sine A cos B, right? So that will be 2 sine, what is A? That will be half C plus D, right? And cos B, that was cos B, half C minus D. Okay? So this is how we find that of this, right? So, and if it is C minus D, that is sine A, sine C, if it is C and this is D. So that will be sine C minus sine D. So that will be what? 2. It will now be cos. Now A is what? Half of C plus D. And then B is what? Sine B is half of C minus D. So when it is negative, so we now have sine C plus sine D is half of sine half of C plus D cos half of half C minus D. So this is we are taking it from the addition back to product, from addition back to product. So here we are going from product to addition, product to addition, and here from addition to product, addition to products. So that's how we go about it for sine theta, sine A plus B rather. Thank you.